if you have been having these issues on your YouTube channel or your YouTube studio, I think just listen, okay? So let's say if you're uploading a video on YouTube, then you find out that your video, that particular video you uploaded recently on YouTube, happens to be 0 or happen to be higher than the one on YouTube studio. Now mainly it's not, people do complain about this a lot. People do complain about it, and I'm going to clarify you on this based on what YouTube says. Alright, just watch to the very end. I will not waste much of your time. Rather, I will tell you what the problem is and how you can fix those things. Hi, my name is Stanley, and in this video I'll be showing you or rather explain to you why sometimes when your videos on YouTube is higher than the one on your YouTube studio. Explain to you why it happens, and at the end of this video you'll be able to understand the reason such thing happens, and how we can prevent it, and what you have to do and things you have to do. And as for recently, this is not the first time, but some of my friends that we all do content creation together, they happen to say the same thing or experience the same thing. Me, I didn't put more effort. I didn't notice at first, but after such comment was made, I have to go to my channel. Like when I uploaded my video new, like I have to go, let's say now you upload your video new, okay, under 24 hours now this video is still getting views, still getting out there, that's still being recommended, and sometimes they cannot keep up with those views, especially when you find out that your video is going viral, and let's say on YouTube it's showing like about 1,000, then on your studio is showing about less than 1,000, and most times you start panicking because you think there's a problem somewhere. Now there is no problem, actually there's no problem, to be honest with you. All right, so what you need to understand is that it takes time. All right, it takes time for that view to reflect to your studio, now for everything to settle. I don't know if you understand me. Let's say now on your studio, on your Facebook, on your YouTube page, this your video is showing 1,000 views, while on your studio is showing like 500. Now I'm telling you not to panic, because that's not a problem, that's not a big problem. All you have to leave it that first 24 hours or probably for 8 hours, everything is going to settle, because that's when the algorithm is going to figure out what is going on and which of the views we counted. Because most times if you yourself, after uploading a video and you use your different channels to go and view the videos, I don't know if you have done that before, but after doing such thing, you find out those videos, those views might be included at that particular moment, but a couple hours or probably days later you find out those things are out. So these are like a progress that the YouTube or the algorithm always takes to assure that the views are legit and how long is being viewed. Now, as I said, it's no problem for you to worry about, rather it's something that is easy, and you shouldn't bother yourself about it.